Give me the berries. Do it again. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good one. Give the berries to Mommy. Stick your tongue out. Oh, God. Stick your tongue out. You can't do it with your finger in your mouth. You can't do it with your finger in your mouth. Stick your tongue out. Give the berries to Mommy. Give the berries to Mommy. Go. Stick your tongue out.